Hey everybody, this is Elgin from the Elgin Pilar Walker team here at Keller Williams. There's some exciting news for buyers. Buyers, the FHA Platinum program is back. The Platinum program is back. Do you know what that means? Probably not, so let me tell you. On the FHA Platinum program, believe it or not, qualifying, you can purchase a home with a 0.5% down payment. 0.5% down payment. So, for instance, you have a $300,000 house that normally with FHA you'd have to put 3.5% down, which is great. But on a $300,000 house, and if you only put 0.5% down, 0.5% is $1,500. $1,500 for a $300,000 property. And if we're able to negotiate some closing costs for you, my gosh, you're pretty much getting into that property for less than what it would cost you to put up a first and a last month's on a rent. This is the opportunity of a lifetime. For more details, give us a call. We can get you pre-qualified, pre-approved, and then we can get you looking at some property. May God bless, and remember, no matter what you're going through in life, it's a temporary condition because it truly is a great life. Thank you very much.